This is a review of the 15-inch stretch wrap. I needed a good stretch wrap to help me ship items online. Oftentimes I find myself shipping things in multi-packs, kind of like these boxes here, that were too big to fit into plastic poly bags. So I needed a way to connect them and secure them for shipping. I bought this. It's really nice. It comes with 2 detachable handles. They pop off extremely easily. You can put them back in easily as well too. So if you're wrapping like a big piece of furniture, it's really nice because you can stay balanced and walk around the whole furniture while the roll unravels. But I'll pop this off because you can also have the option of just using one handle. And I like to do that when I'm wrapping something smaller like this, but it still needs to go together. And it's pretty easy to just pull around. This is also really easy to tear, so if you don't have any scissors handy, you can just simply rip your plastic. It sticks to itself very nice, so it's not going to fall apart. It feels, it's really sticky. That's super nice. Also, the box it came with is a really nice box, so I like to use it to store the wrap so it stays nice. I just pop the handles out, put them in the box. Overall, I'm really happy with this product.